Good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Anand Bhardwaj, the world's highest qualified Vastu consultant with over 39 years experience in scientific, technical and authentic Vastu Shastra. I welcome to all of you to the new professional and complete series on scientific Vastu program. Friends, as I told you in the program that if you need to ponder upon any Vastu factor, just type the Vastu factor with my name on the internet and click on search, and instantly you will get the real, accurate, scientific and authentic knowledge on the topic in a very short time through such kind of video. Today I am taking a very new topic, that is about the main door, its size as well as height. Sometimes what happens, suppose this is your plot, and maybe it may be residential, it may be commercial. Suppose as per government bylaws, we are bound to have the main gate from this side or from this side, that is located in southwest corner. This is not comfortable as per Vastu, but because the road is located in south or in west, and government bylaws are going to compel you on the basis of zoning rule, then zoning rule advises you to take entry from here. There is no way. Either you will have to lose the plot, leave the plot, sell it off, or you can have the other way out. Let the main gate be located southwest. No need to worry. This is your house and this is the passage. This may be car parking, this may be open courtyard. Just have the courtyard, and you can either have the entry from southeast corner by making your main door in the southeast corner, or if the size of the plot is bigger one, then move more towards east, and this is the middle of east, and you can have entry from northeast easily. And in case if this gate is supposed to be built up as per government bylaws, and you have freedom to have a small gate in northwest, then very comfortable, you can have entry from this side also. So far as the main gate is concerned, main gate is to be made as per the local government body or local bylaws, but so far as the main door is concerned, you are free to make the main door as per your choice. If you believe in Vastu Shastra, you can have this choice. There are so many choices, no need to worry at all, and the height of the main door should be the maximum and the width should be the maximum, means this should be the biggest door in entire house. Friends, normally you must have seen Vastu consultants using only directional compass, but it can only show the directions, nothing else. Then how one can talk about the invisible vibrations with the help of directional compass? Yes, the question does not arise. This is a directional compass. You shall be surprised to see me using various tools, instruments, sensors and scanners to check the invisible vibrations. These instruments are there, and this expertise makes me different from other traditional Vastu consultants who do not know how to see, how to check the invisible vibrations with the help of certain instruments. And I promise that in the series I will show you all the instruments one by one, and certainly I will give you a demonstration of all the instruments in the same program. Just have the patience and keep on moving with me, keep on attending this class and keep on coming to me. Thanks and take care. See you in the next program. Thank you.